Hi, everyone. My name is Marwa Noaman, and I'm the Clinical Operations Director here at D2V. As we all know, accurate data is crucial for driving innovation and advancing novel therapies. Today, we will explore how Instream data cleaning is revolutionizing the way we ensure data quality and our process for using this technique here at D2V. The process of Instream data cleaning is to clean data and identify issues in as close to real time as possible over the entire course of the study. Performing statistical review is a critical step in the process. Data should quickly be analysis ready for multiple data cuts such as data monitoring committee meetings, dose escalation decisions, regulatory objectives, and database lock at the end of the study. The in-stream data cleaning strategy involves collaboration with the entire study team to ensure statistical reviews are focused on cross-CRF pages and cross-data source reviews. For example, medical history and pretreatment AEs will be reviewed together to check if the comorbidity of the enrolled population meets protocol assumptions. Correlation between safety endpoints and comorbidity will be examined if a potential trend is observed. Now that we've explored the power of in-stream data cleaning and its implementation at D2V, I will hand it over to our Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Vijay Reddy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Vijay Reddy. I'm the Chief Medical Officer at D2V Clinical. I oversee the implementation of in-stream data cleaning to ensure that our early phase clinical research trials meet accurate and reliable data. Here's how we utilize these results from a medical perspective. In-stream data cleaning supports the following 5 medical areas and more: data-driven decision-making, medical monitoring from a real-time perspective, enhancing protocol adherence, improved patient care, and accelerating further research insights. The best examples that were already alluded are for efficacy and safety from a clinical perspective. The overall response rate, ORR, is a critical key endpoint for clinical trials, particularly as measured for efficacy. In-stream data cleaning supports this by accurate documenting and verification of the RECIST criteria for efficacy measurement. In addition, safety with CTCAE criteria documentation is critical, and in-stream cleaning supports that and enhancing data quality of both clinical as well as lab parameters. In-stream data cleaning is revolutionizing early phase clinical trials, empowering researchers to make data-driven decisions. To learn more about D2V Clinical's innovative in-stream data cleaning solutions, contact us today at d2vclinical.com. Thank you.